I couldn't swallow. I could just eat ice cubes. I got really sick.
2 years after Mandy Lamoth was first diagnosed with thyroid cancer, her cancer spread to her lymph nodes and later onto her lungs.
I was terrified because I was like, nope, I don't have anyone my age. I'm like, 35-ish by this point. Yeah, it's been a long, crazy journey.
Sharing her experience on National Cancer Survivors Day Sunday, Mandy says the disease took a toll not only on her physical health, but also her mental well-being.
I got told that my cancer was the best cancer to have, that don't worry, it's just a quick surgery, you'll be fine. But like there were days where my joints would swell up and my husband would have to help me out of bed. And I didn't know where to turn because I wasn't getting support anywhere.
Cancer survivors like Mandy saying National Cancer Survivors Day is an opportunity to raise awareness of the challenges facing young adult cancer survivors during and after treatment.
My body shouldn't be failing like this, right? And you don't know where you belong. You have your group of friends that are getting married and having children and traveling, and then you're sick.
But her life changed, Mandy said, when she found the Young Adult Cancer Canada YAC, which supports young adults dealing with cancer.
All these people were like, welcome home, and we have your back, and I have that cancer too. And it was just so nice to be like, wow, I'm validated for the first time in years, right? I don't even really know who I was before YAC anymore.
I've been around the cancer system since the late 90s, and for the last 2.5+ decades, I have seen, how focused it is on treatment. And I know how important that is. But I've also seen how that hyper focus on treatment has really left a lot of parts of the patient experience neglected or overlooked.
Jeff Eaton is a 2-time cancer survivor. He said his organization helps survivors build a life-changing community across Canada through peer support and mental health resources.
I want to have a life worth loving. It's not a win to me to have somebody hit remission and be on the other side, but to come out of that where, physically they are totally wrecked. Their mental health is in terrible shape.
Both survivors say more work needs to be done to help young adult cancer survivors have a holistic recovery beyond treatment. In Edmonton, Hiba Kamal-Choufi, City News.